What's going on, guys? It is December 17th, 2022. I'm out here at Evergreen Speedway for just a little shakedown on the Civic. I put a new sway bar in the front of the car and I'm on some different tires. I'm waiting to finish this event before I swap my new coilovers on. So I'm just doing a shakedown today. Not a ton of people here. Maybe we'll get a trophy. We'll see. Today I'm rocking a set of borrowed V720s. I never even heard of these tires before today. I only heard of the V730s, but these things are 200 tread wear. I guess they're just like the older version of the 200 tread wear tire that Kumo makes, but they feel kind of funny on the street, so we'll see how they do out here. It's definitely pretty cold, so I don't expect a ton of grip, but we'll see what happens when they warm up. Starting my tire pressure off at 30 all around, just because I haven't ran with these tires on the car before, and with the sway bar setup, I want to be able to use that to make the difference, not the tire pressure. Gonna test out a roll bar camera mount, if you guys can see it up top by the dome light today. See how that works. It seems like it's going to give me a little bit better of a view than the helmet cam, and maybe not have it shake as much. We'll see. Just did a course walk. Course is pretty generic today, but it's fucking cold out. Starting to snow. Hopefully they'll keep it open, but man, it's a cold one today. So much understeer. Jesus Christ. Rubbing. That's kind of annoying. Yeah, it rubs. Way better though. It's not different enough. All my fucking loose metal. Very slow. 112. Spin this time. That flustered me. Yep, there's that phone that I hit last time. What a save. I'm going to just try and slow it down a little bit this round. Just ran the first 4 laps. It's really slippery out there. I spun once and kind of saved it, but it's definitely super interesting to be able to drive the car in these conditions, and it's a huge learning experience. The sway bar in the front seems to have made a difference. It's definitely a lot more like tail happy, I guess you could say, and definitely feels different than it did before. I like it. I think I'm gonna probably stick with the sway bar. That was close. Just ran the second session. I'm sitting in first because there's literally only like one other person that's competitive in front wheel drive here today. So that's cool. But I ran a 109.7. think I only just ran 3 of the 4 in the last session, but I'm kind of over it. It's really slippery outside, not going any faster, so I think I'm gonna call it for today as far as driving. I think I got first place. I'm not sure though. I guess we're gonna find out once the awards go down. Definitely feels good to be driving my car again, even though it's definitely not optimal conditions, but still having a good time. Glad to be back out here. Okay, well, I ended up taking home first place today. We're not doing any trophies, which is super disappointing, but makes sense. There's not a lot of people here, so the competition wasn't very fierce. I'm about 6 seconds faster than second place, so can't say that I really earned it, but it always feels good to get first place in something. But that's going to be it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Probably have this up pretty soon, but definitely appreciate all you guys' support.
It's working! It's working! Maybe. Oh no, it's working. It's working! Oh, it's working! Oh! That's still good though.